Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Tuntara. Let's learn some 2D shape. It is black color. It is pentagon. It is smiley. Rhombus or diamond. Oval. Parallelogram. Hollow circle. Let us learn some color name. These are our colors. Orange color, red color, baby pink, blue color, yellow color, pink color, violet, purple, brown color, grey color, green, mustard yellow, blue color, black color. These are our colors. It is baby pink color. It is pentagon. Sky blue color. It is smiley emoji. Light green color. It is rhombus or diamond. It is grey color. It is oval. Fluorescent yellow. It is parallelogram. It is orange color. It is hollow circle. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. Pentagon, baby pink color, smiley emoji, blue color, rhombus or diamond, green color, oval, grey color, parallelogram, fluorescent yellow color, hollow circle, orange color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.